Right, guys, I told you in the Pachaka, I showed you the other side. No, that was Fairfields. Now we are at Chaka. Pachaka, yesterday we were talking about Pabucha Pandaka. Let's see if a family of 6, can it sustain in $10 in Africa, in Zimbabwe? And we saw it was very sustainable. With $10, you can have a decent meal, a family of 6. Now here with me, I've got a brother. Pachaka, my brother, what's the name of your shop?
Chicken bites.
Pachaka. Chicken bites. Ukapinda Pachaka ukabvunza chicken bites iri kupi. I think that's a place to take chikafu and sika. No, ndakubvunza just yangu kune ava kuti it's hard going back home from kunyika. I wanted to speak to my brother. I was watching the graph katinga rice yangu $8. Imagine guys, rice $8, there was coleslaw, there was organic meat and then a cock. I think it's $1 for 2 cocks. So kana vakusakwanisa is a family man, varikwanisa kusasena vachi employer and you can do it. Let's see. And those young chips are in when it's like this. $1 aine ration. So can you see this? This is $1 ne ration yacho, right? Oh, sorry. And obviously, abatateka 2 and tika chip ration. So and that's told me makabogara kunjira diaspora anyway outside Zimbabwe. Thank you very much. My brother was South Africa. Makoya kumbali. 2022. Magama ndesta from where was ready. 2016. Pamanga mliko SA. Chisha makachiva. 102. So as compared to SA in Zimbabwe, Madzo, I mean, kurinani kuno both. Peace of mind. Murukuzwa keyword rakosha. Peace of mind. Usinga maniswe. Usinga tarise home affairs. Kumasure kwako. Bari kumba. Pesi yako ya unoda. Saka pa makashika kuno kucharuta mudzore kuno kuchinji bakete. And the essay is going down. And the charity essay is going down. My church ya kusisina ya imfuru. Saka makashika nje business makaba njoka essay. Saka makashika idea yokuthi ndawunopiga mashika. And then shop mukudenda. Okay, so my profits are going say. I'm going to show you. Yes. So probably per day, how much can you make? Let's say on your best day,
daily is none. That's what I can say for now.
Daily is everything. Oh wow. And the market employer. Vane 3 workers vaka employer mukari restaurant kavari akari kubika kari rural antika zvatiri kugara tichitaura kuti these days masabhuku deals rural places is the way to go. Go to a rural place and go to a sabhuku deal, get a stand antika and build center ikoko woisa deudeu rako ikoko antika vane peace of mind pakatozara panze apa vanhu vari kutenga ndifana ndakagara patenga vanhu more than $10 or more yapinda ndakagara apa. Just 15 minutes for the whole day. So guys, kuneva kucha kwenda kumba from kunyika dzakasiyana from South Africa, UK, Canada, kuti kumba kurara miki. We've got a brother here. This is the second testimony that I'm giving you. There's no makona kubucha. Nasi murikona ava. Kurara mika kuno ku guys. Kana wazvifunga tuta tundu yako wakananga zvako chiuya kuno. Varikura na my brother keep it up and God bless you. And musakanga kana masvika Pachaka ndika up. Chicken bite. Ndoya mune yamchitenga ende zvechokwadi nyaya yenu nakana I was eating it naka organic guys. Organic isina kana injection kana cheap antimaona. So ufuwa futhi organic antimaona. So guys kana masvika Pachaka mufuraone pano, let's support our own brother anisika vari kuzama kuzaramira havana wavanobira havana vari kuti ngati support brother wedu tosangana pachikamu chinoteera mese basa zvadzei.